I haven't tried this Tunetank. You bring unique sound into your project. Let's click on this. Although I already installed this because I never tried this. I just install all of them. Yeah, let's try this. Well, I think this one is pretty useful because it will enable you to create like audio from TikTok. Try this one. Yeah, yeah. You can just preview this. Okay, that's sweet. That's good. Lots and lots of them that you can use. Let's try to find the information for this. Let's click on this. Then let's click on the triple dot for the details. This is also created by Tunetank, and it offers a free music for creators. So get over 3,000 royalty-free curated background tracks across different genres, moods, and themes. Okay, that's good. If you're into audio, if you want to add this to your next video, you can easily do so. So that's Tunetank.